What's up, y'all? It's Michael Abitago. 2013 F-250 is ready for a good oil change. So I'm gonna take y'all on this little quick spin on this oil switch up. Don't mind the camera shaking up like that. So what I got here is this engine flush. You're gonna want to put this in your engine and run it for about 10-15 minutes. As I stated, recommended in the back, 10-15 minutes just to get, inside the engine and break down any contaminants and flush it out before installing your AMSOIL. So it's a little raining too, so I'm going to move quickly. All right, it's already in. Just going to crank this bad girl up. Let it run for about 15 minutes. So right now on the odometer is reading 129, 191. So after the installation of this AMSOIL, the 6 times the protection, I'm gonna have it marked up on this display here. We're gonna be good for another 25,000 miles. That's another reason why we love AMSOIL. I don't know if you can hear, but excuse the noise, diesels, it sounds so lovely. Here's your specs on the AMSOIL here. Should be great. Yeah, so I'll let the engine flush run the system for about 10 or 15 minutes, and it'll be good. Alright, we're all buttoned down. Oil filter is primed up. I'm gonna make my way up from under here, and I'll see y'all up top. So the F-250, it's a 2013, takes 1540. We only use the best stuff that keeps us on the road. We run through the road all year long, so we only use the best stuff. So if you guys are interested on information and want to use some of AMSOIL products, just get in contact with me. My name is Michael Abitago. If you are on my page, it's cool. If not, get on. What's up, size?
Good.
Got one more to go, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate your time. Please comment anything on the sections below, and we'll take care of you. This is the last one to go. 13 quarts. It's 3.25 gallons. any of you who are watching are in the Texas region, between either, well, anywhere in Texas, we'll be in Corpus Christi February 17th. We're gonna have a booth set up for you to come by and stop. We're gonna be at the event with All Team Bash. It's gonna be a nice hangout. You can barbecue on your tailgate and just have a good time, meet people, and just kick back, listen to the DJs play. We're gonna have some activities, so it's been good. It's gonna be good. But that's gonna be it. My name is Michael Abutago. Thank y'all for tuning in, and hit me up whenever y'all need something. Let's square your way.